Welcome to week 11. This week we're taking a look at how theory fits into public relations. In doing so, we're taking a step back from the kind of approach that we've taken so far this semester in terms of looking at public relations as a very applied practice. So what do you have to do in order to practice PR, or what exactly is PR? Because a lot of what public relations is about strategic communication. In order to enact behavior change, we're going to draw on theories of communication, theories of social persuasion, and theories of mass media in order to look at how we can target our communication in order to really get people to take the action that we desire them to take. So it's a very interesting, I know I say this every week, but it is a very interesting topic in that we're really kind of digging into a little bit of psychology here and a little bit of behavior and what makes people behave the way they do. Why do people make the decisions that they make, and how can we kind of tweak that or affect that? So it's really informative, and I'm sure if you went out and asked a bunch of people in the corporate communication field if they use theory, many of them may say no without realizing that inherently they are using these theories, or at least elements of these theories. But the health campaigns that I've talked about a lot in this class were built on theory. And when you lay out a theory ahead of time, you know exactly which variables or mechanisms that you can alter in order to affect behavior change. So it almost saves you from recreating the wheel if you understand how theory can drive action. So in my opinion, this is a really important step, and it kind of fits with what we're talking about now. You know, we just talked about research. Research can really set the stage for theory building and what theory you would choose to use when building a campaign. And we're going to be talking about writing and campaigns in the upcoming weeks. So this really fits nicely in when you start to make decisions about how or what you write, or how you build a campaign. Theory can really inform those decisions well. So definitely take in everything that you can for this particular week, and then as we move forward, hopefully you'll see the connection. And I do believe I draw on theory again explicitly when we talk about campaigns, but even when I don't mention it by name, think about how what you learned this week can inform the decisions that you make in the topics we cover in the upcoming weeks. So that said, you have your usual discussion, and the discussion is about how theory fits into public relations. I ask you to kind of consider all the theories that are talked about in the reading in the lesson and talk about which ones you think best fit with public relations, because again, these aren't necessarily public relations theories. There's very few public relations specific theories, and those that are out there are really still like in their newborn stage and being refined. So these are, again, social science theories applied to public relations. So your discussion gets you to engage with which ones you think make the most sense or are the best fit for PR, and then your assignment has you reading a case study and then answering questions. So you are supposed to answer the questions at the end of the case study, and the first question asks you about a figure. This is the payoff matrix from your reading, so you'll just have to refer back to your reading for that, and that has to do with, I believe, social exchange theory. So anyway, hopefully that answers any questions that you might have, but if not, of course, I am always available either via email. I will be in the office on Wednesday and Thursday during office hours, so feel free to come and see me. And we can also set up something via Skype or phone if those times don't work for you. So anyway, have a great week, and be in touch.